They're under pressure like never before. But instead of being applauded like in the West, doctors in Russia say they're facing mistrust, even open hostility, as they battle the coronavirus pandemic. Doctors like Tatiana Reva, an intensive care specialist, reported to the police after this video about equipment shortages was posted on social media. Now, she tells CNN she fears being fired, even prosecuted, after investigators gave her hospital the all clear.
Из-за видеообращения решили проверить эту информацию на наличие средств защиты в достаточном количестве в учреждении и наличие аппаратов ИВЛ в достаточном количестве.
The desperation of Russian doctors and the overwhelming pressure on them has emerged as a grim theme in this country's pandemic. One of these stressed-out medics was questioned by police for spreading false information after complaining about shortages at his hospital. The other on the left sustained severe head injuries falling out of a window. Two other doctors infamously died in similar circumstances. Public disdain may be one factor driving them to despair, not helped by rampant coronavirus conspiracy theories, some propagated on Russian state television. Analysts say a significant proportion of Russians believe the virus has been invented by doctors to control society. Others that doctors are hiding the true extent of casualties from the public. Either way, disinformation is corroding public trust in Russia's medical profession.
Many people, of course, see doctors as heroes, but for many of Russian society, doctors are traitors or villains because they are participating in these hidden plans for controlling people. People don't believe in state medicine. They only believe in doctors whom they know personally.
But it's the coronavirus itself that's killing Russian doctors en masse. Official figures put the number at just over 100 so far, but healthcare workers have compiled a list of more than 300. Even the government admits nearly 10,000 medical staff are now infected, including Dr. Stella Korchinskaya, an X-ray specialist who says she was given practically no means of protection at her hospital and had to appeal to an opposition-backed doctors' union for equipment. It didn't go down well with the hospital administrators who deny any shortcomings.
Пришла заместитель главного врача, и стала как бы из-под тишка они меня сняли на видео, из-под тишка, И она, где эти средства, где эти средства? Ну тогда они еще как бы...
You know, it's bad when infection with coronavirus feels like a lucky escape. Matthew Chance, CNN.